This is your time.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you might be listening to this special Law of Attraction Personal Empowerment podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink, and today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. This is your time. You were put here as a perfect being. When you were born, you were in absolute sync and harmony with the entire universe. And then people who had lost that connection to the universe, who had lost that connection to source energy, began raising you. And they helped you along so you could move further and further and further away from source energy. But as you come back to source, as you return through meditation, through prayer, through time in nature, as you do that, you begin to realize, this is my time. I'm here for a purpose. I am a spiritual, eternal being on earth, having a physical experience. And I have a purpose. I have a destiny. I have a legacy to leave. Look, it's not just about taking. It's not just about, I want. It's about I give. I share. I teach. I love. This is your time. And it's the most precious commodity that you have. You can waste your money and get it back. You can go through relationships and there's always another one around the corner. You can burn up your clothing and go out and buy new clothing the next week. You can crash your car and the insurance company will buy you a new one. But you can't make up time. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time feeling sorry for yourself, feeling broke, feeling depressed. Stop wasting your time feeling sad, feeling lonely, feeling hungry, feeling unhappy. This is your time for prosperity. This is your time for joy. This is your time to be engaged in life and love and abundance and happiness. This is your time to leave a legacy, to do something that impassions you so deeply, so strongly, so powerfully, that it affects the next generation and the generation after that. And the generation after that. And maybe at some point in time, you just become a name that people remember. Or maybe they don't even remember your name, but somewhere along the line, the work that you did affected others, and they taught others, and we progressed the human mind, the human spirit. This is your time. And if it wasn't your time, you would not be here. All you have to do is take a drive out to the cemetery and drive through a cemetery, and you can see thousands and thousands and thousands of people whose time has come and gone. But your time has not come and gone. Your time is now. Now the clock is ticking. Tomorrow is promised to no one. Don't let another second of your time go to waste. It's the one commodity, as I said earlier, that you can't make up. You can't get it back. You can't ask for a do-over. Once that second has gone by, once that minute has passed, once that year has slipped through your fingers, you've lost it forever or you've put it to use. The choice is yours. This is your time. Say it right now. This is my time for abundance. This is my time for prosperity. This is my time for love. This is my time for joy. This is my time for health and healing. This is my time. Break free. Break free of limiting ideas. Break free of limiting beliefs. Break free of limiting thoughts and doubts and fears. And rather, choose to be an unlimited spirit. I am an unlimited spirit. I am an unlimited human being. I have no boundaries. Anything that I truly desire, I can co-create with the infinite source of the universe. I am a high flyer. I am soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle in the direction of my dreams and the dreams of others. I am a master manifester. I have the power to take on any challenge or any situation. I am prosperous. I am light. I am love. I am healing. Brothers and sisters, listen to me. You're a high flyer. And the one thing you must never waste is your time. It's too precious. You're too powerful to be wasting your time on pity, on fear, on sadness, on depression. You're not finished. You're just beginning. Say it. I am not finished. I'm just beginning. Talk about your relationship and love. I am not finished. We are just beginning. Talk about your abundance. I'm not finished. I am just beginning. You just lost your job. I am not finished. I am just beginning to attract money into my life. I don't care what you have lost. You're going to gain more. I don't care how deep the hole is in. You're going to have a mountain to stand upon. You're not finished. You're just beginning. And your best days have yet to be lived. I don't care if you're 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yes, I can count by twos. I don't care how old you are. Your best days are still ahead of you. Everything you need to manifest and leave a legacy is already within you. When you were born, you were absolutely perfect. You were completely connected to spirit. And that seed is still within you. Nurture that seed. This is your time. Say it. This is my time. Oh, take a deep breath. Enjoy your time and have a great day because you deserve it. Bye-bye now.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.